Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Ilyas Ahmed from Sadaat Quran Academy. Have you know that we will provide you great lectures about the rules of Holy Quran and why we'll provide you, why we'll teach you these things, and what is the main functions and the main process of these rules. Okay, because in the world there are different kind of the people who are learning the Holy Quran, reading the Holy Quran, memorizing the Holy Quran, and getting the knowledge of Holy Quran. you know Holy Quran have their own rules, like they have the great necessary science. Okay, everything have their own, like the general science. Quran has their own general science, which is Tajweed. Why we learn about Tajweed? Because Tajweed is the main positions of the Holy Quran, which will apply in the reading position, memorizing each and everything. In previous topic, we have learned the first part of speech, which is our throat. Okay, like sixth letter we will pronounce from throat, and I told you that there are different place of articulation for those six letters, which we'll pronounce from the throat. Okay, today we'll go very new topic, which is the second part of speech, and it is the very new topic and a very interesting topic, because here and the 18 letters we will pronounce from the second part of speech. But my request is like that: if you are new in our channel, please subscribe it and follow it, and click it on the bell icon, because when we'll upload the new video for you, you can see it the first. Okay, I'll mention the topic at on the board. Now I will go at on the board at on the explanation topic. Okay, viewers, I mentioned here the topic, the second part of speech. Okay, second part of speech, or pronunciations of the Arabic letters. Second part of speech is our tongue. Second part of speech is our tongue. Okay, what is the main function of tongue in human body? When we go at the scientific way, science is saying that the function of the tongue in human body to make the saliva, or to make the breathing in the food. Okay, to make the soft and the juicy to the food which we'll put in our mouth. Okay, now we'll come at on the languages way, at on the reading way, that how to mentalize the tongue at on the reading positions to pronouncing the different letters. Okay, our topic is about the Arabic letters. I mentioned here Arabic letters. Okay, Tajweed. Dear guys, keep it your mind. From the tongue, we will pronounce the 18 Arabic letters. We will pronounce the 18 Arabic letters with 10 rules. With 10 rules, or you can say it, the 10 place of articulation. 10 place of articulations. Okay, because from the tongue we will make the one group of 18 letters, and we will divide this group to 10 rules. Divide 18 this group to 10 rules. Okay, there are the five main part of tongue which we'll use for the pronouncing the letter. Number one is our tip of tongue. Number two is our back of tongue. Number three is our middle of tongue. Number four is our front edge of tongue. And number five is our back edge of tongue. Okay, keep it your mind. Each part of the tongue containing the group of letter, but the place of articulation is one. Okay, for example, if you go at the tip of tongue is the one place of articulation, and it contains a group of letter. Okay, from the tip of tongue we will pronouncing the nine letters. We will pronouncing the nine letter. Okay, number one, ta dal to. One group is this. Okay, second one is za sin sod, the whistle sound letters. Okay, another one is dal, tha, and ra. These three letters, soft letters, will also be pronounced from the tip of tongue. Another one is lam, noon, and ra. Okay, these nine letters will be pronounced from your tip of tongue, but the viewers, keep it your mind, positions of these letters is changed. For example, if we'll go the one first group, ta dal to, how we'll pronounce it, how the tongue is pronouncing using the method in our mouth. Ta dal to will be pronounced whenever tip of tongue touching the root of upper teeth. Tip of tongue touching the root of upper teeth. Okay. Second one is za, sin, and sod. How we will pronounce it whenever tip of tongue touching the gums of upper teeth. Tip of tongue touching the gums of upper teeth. The three letter will be pronounced the whistle sound letter za, sin, and sad. Another one is zal, sa, and za. How we will pronounce these three letters? These three letters will be pronounced whenever tip of tongue comes between the teeth. Tip of tongue comes between the teeth. These letters are also called the soft letters because in Holy Quran there is only three soft letters: zal, sa, and za. We have to pronounce it with the different way. Another one is lam, nun, and ra. These three letters will be pronounced from tip of tongue touching the upper teeth. Tip of tongue touching the upper teeth. Okay, it is our first part of the tongue. Now we'll go the second part of tongue, which is back of tongue. Back of tongue containing the two letters. Back of tongue containing the two letters, cough and cough. Cough and cough. Keep it in your mind. Cough and cough will be pronounced from the one place of articulation, which is back of the tongue, but the positions of the letter is different. Okay. For example, if we go the solid cough, whenever we'll pronounce it, you can say back of tongue or root of tongue touching the soft palate. Back of tongue or root of tongue touching the soft palate. Palate means your roof of your mouth. Whenever you will pronounce this light cough, your back or root of tongue touching the hard palate. Back of tongue or root of tongue touching the hard palate. Okay. Now keep it in your mind. Position is place of articulation is one, but the position of letter is different. There are two positions of cough and cough. The another part of tongue is middle. From the middle of tongue, we will pronounce the three letter Jim, Shin, and Ya. Jim, Shin, and Ya will be pronounced from your middle of tongue. But how we will pronounce these three letters? Whenever middle of tongue touching the hard palate, middle of tongue touching the hard palate, three letter will be pronounced Jim, Shin, and Ya. Okay, now we'll go the front edge of tongue. From front edge of tongue, we'll just combine the lam, noon, and ra, because lam, noon, ra is also containing the front edge of tongue, but the main point is tip of tongue. Okay, from the back edge of tongue, we will pronounce the just the one letter, which is vod, or you can say it dod. Okay, it is pronounced from the back edge of tongue, but how we will pronounce it? Whenever back edge of tongue touching the upper five molars. Okay, this is our topic about the second part of speech, and it is very interesting. You'll take the great knowledge from here. Okay, viewers, it's enough for today. Inshallah, we will come the very new video, which is our new topic and this another part of speech. And inshallah, we will learn the different more letters which we'll pronounce from the next part of speech. Inshallah, you'll stay with us, subscribe us, and follow us. And please share it because you know whenever you'll share this video, different kind of the peoples take the knowledge of Holy Quran.